Today is June 19. I'm Susanna.
I am Vicky.
And this is
Simon
Says. Vicky, you accepted the Stay Active Challenge last week.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
I go to gym 3 times a week because I want to maintain my weight and build my fitness, and it also helps me stay happy.
I also exercised 1 hour yesterday.
Some of our students also accepted the challenge, and here is what they did. This is the final week of our EAP classes. We will not have any student engagement center workshops. However, you can sign up for a one-to-one session with me every day from either 8:30 in the morning or 12:30 in the afternoon.
You can sign up for your slot on the SCC website schedule. If you don't sign up, that's okay. You can come to the second floor breakout rooms and to see if we have time or not. During the last week, the SCC office will move up to one of the breakout rooms on the second floor.
We will be here for you.
Yes.
The final exam is on Thursday, so follow your instructor for more information and instructions. Fuka, what is your plan for the break?
I'm planning to visit Vancouver and I want to join whale watching. Thank you.
We will go to Bath together.
And I will go to Jasper with host family.
Well, these are all very good plans, and I hope you're going to make some really nice memories and you will have some nice experience from Canada. Vicky, what about you? What are you doing during the week?
Yeah, because you are going to have a vacation, I'm going to look after your cats.
Okay, well, good luck with that. Okay, this is a wrap. The term has come to an end.
Look around, our space is empty right now.
And our furniture has been moved to the Faculty of Education.
And we are very excited about our new adventure on the main campus.